66. Question number 66. 7 people are standing in a straight line facing north with equal distance between them, not necessarily in the same order. We have 7 members. They are facing to north direction. First, L is second to the left of H. For example, it is H, first left, second left is by L. The next one, H sits at one of ends of the line. As all are facing north direction, H end lo undali kabatti definitely right end avakasam undi. So out of 7 we have already taken 3 seats. So remaining 4 seats will be fixed here. Next condition, J sits third to the right of K. For example, K is here, K's third right is by J. Next, M is not an immediate neighbor of I. M is not an immediate neighbor of I, which means M and I are not the neighbors. K sits second to the left of L. Second to the left of L is by K. When K is fixed here, K's third right is by J. K's first right, second right, third right is by J. Is it? M is not an immediate neighbor of L. Paper la ala unda? Okay. So M is not an immediate neighbor of L. Adi I kaadu. So we need to make it as L. If L, obviously M cannot be fixed in these 2 places. Next, K's third right is by J. K's first right, second right, third right is by J. Hence, it is the place of J. The next one, K is second to the left of L. That is done. I is second from left end. Second left means second from left. They have to give you in that way itself. I is second from left end. Anedi ivali. So, I second from left end, first from left end, second from left end, it must be the place of I. Next, as M cannot be fixed here, this is only the place of M. Remaining letter is N. ఇక్కడ మనకి I కాదు, we need to replace it as L. Next, Silox, and they are asking for logically follows. All children are students. Children andaru kuda students. All students are boys. No boy is a player. No boy is player. Conclusion 1. No child is a player. Try to understand. It is clear that no boy is a player. When it is no boy is player, then I can confirm that no student is player. No child or children is also player. So no valid avutundi kabatti conclusion number 1 will be true. Next, some students are children. Yes, this is the part of children. It is the part of student. So there is some common part between student and children. It is also true. Both are true. Next, all keys are locks. All the part of keys must be inside of locks. Next, all locks are doors. Conclusion 1. Some locks are keys. Yes, this is the common part between lock and key. It will be true. All keys are doors. Yes, all keys are inside of door. This is also true. Both 1 and 2 are true. Option 2. Next, some papers are books. For example, it is the part of paper. Some papers are books. Next, all books are copies. All books are copies. Some copies are papers. Yes, there is some common part between copy and paper. One is true. All copies are books. No, these are the copies which are not books. Hence, it is wrong. Only one is true. For example, it is the part of laptop. Some laptop are computers. No computer is a printer. Then conclusion 1, no printer is a laptop. Yes, of course no printer is laptop right now. Printer అనేది ల్యాప్టాప్ అవ్వద్దు అంటున్నాడు. ఎస్, ఇప్పుడు ప్రింటర్ ల్యాప్టాప్ అవ్వట్లేదు, కానీ ఇన్ పాసిబుల్ వన్ డయాగ్రామ్ ప్రింటర్ మే బికమ్ ల్యాప్టాప్, అలా అవ్వచ్చు. కాబట్టి కంక్లూజన్ నెంబర్ 1 ఈజ్ రాంగ్. సమ్ ప్రింటర్స్ ఆర్ ల్యాప్టాప్స్. నో, దెర్ ఈజ్ నో కామన్ పార్ట్ బిట్వీన్ printer and laptop. It is also wrong, but they are complementary to each other because one is some, other one is no. Printer, laptop, both are wrong. So answer is either or, option 4. Next, 75. Some I's are P's, starting letters. There must be some common part between I and P. Next, all P's, P nothing but P's. Next, all pieces are packets. All pieces are packets. Then conclusion 1. First of all, it is a negative conclusion wherein the statements are positive statements. For positive statements, negative conclusions are always wrong. Next one, some packets are pieces. Yes, there is some common part between packet and piece. This is that common part between packet and piece. It will be true. Only 2 follows. Next, in a certain code language that is coded as F, G, T, R, which means D4, I9, R18, T20, R18, T20, G7, F6. Now if you look at the numbers here, 4 becomes 6 nothing but plus 2, 9 minus 2, 18 plus 2 is 20, 20 minus 2 is 18. So plus 2 minus 2 alternatively. Similarly, for soap also S is 19, 19 plus 2 is 21, which is U. Yes, it is satisfied. We need to decode the word rest. R is 18, 18 plus 2, 20, that is T. Answer must be starting with T. Next, then after E, E minus 2. E is 5, 5 minus 2, 3, C. So second letter must be C. So fifth option eliminated. Then after S plus 2, S, T, U. Kabatti option number 3. S is 19, 19 plus 2, 21, 21 means U, option 3. 77. Just look at first letters right now. P, Q gap R, S gap T, U gap V, V, W gap X. Answer must be starting with X. We have 2 options. Next, K11, I9, G7, E5. Perfectly they are odd numbers. 5 before odd number is 3. 3 means C. XC means option 3. Next, blood relations. P is daughter of L. For example, it is L. It is clear that P is daughter of L. P is sister of B. Next, B is son of Q. P is already son of L. P is son of Q means L and Q are married to each other. Next, Q is son of H. Q is son of H. As Q is son, Q is a male member, hence L will be a female. Next, F is sister of P. F is sister of P. Next, K is father of Q. Already H is parent of Q. Now K is father of Q, nothing but K will be husband of H. Then how is K related to B? To B. B's father is Q. Father's father is grandfather, option 2. How is P related to H? H's son. Son's daughter is granddaughter, option 2. Next. Which of the following pairs of persons represents sisters of B? B's sisters are P and F. P, F means option number 1. Next. Do not disturb. Question. What is the code for a DO? Let's go for direct coding. Do. Right, so do is there in first statement and it is also there in third statement. So we need to identify the common term. He is not common. Next, T is not common, hence RA. So do is coded as RA, option 3. 82. What does the code GA stand for? GA, it is not there in first line, it is there in second line, it is also there in third line. Common word between 2 and 3 is required. Not 2 is not common, so listen, option 5. Next, 83. What is the code for not? Not is to be coded. So not is common between second and third statement. On right hand side, common term is he, option number 3. Next, which of the following may represents and do? This is not A and D do. Okay, it is and, single word and then do. Do is already coded as RA. Do is coded as already RA. So second and third options are eliminated. Next we need to decode and. As we need to decode and is presented in only third statement. ఆ థర్డ్ స్టేట్మెంట్లో మనకు డూ అనేది ఎలాగో ఆర్ఏగా అయింది కాబట్టి రిమైనింగ్ అనేది మనకు ఎఫ్ఏజిఏ. సో అండ్ అనేది థర్డ్ స్టేట్మెంట్లో మాత్రమే ఉంది, కానీ జిఏ అనేది సెకండ్ స్టేట్మెంట్లో కూడా ఉంది. హెన్స్ ఎలిమినేటెడ్. రిమైనింగ్ వన్ ఈస్ ఎఫ్ఏ. సో ఆర్ఏ ఎఫ్ఏ, ఆప్షన్ 4. What does the code TE stand for? TE is there in first line. It is not there in second and third line. TE ki DO do radu because do is coded as RA. Next, not disturb. Not అనేది ఇక్కడ కామన్ గా ఉంది కాబట్టి రిమైనింగ్ వన్ ఈస్ disturb. Next, A to H, 8 letters are sitting around a circular table facing the center but not necessarily in the same order. We have total 8 persons around the circular table and they are facing center. First line, C sits second to the right of D. For example, D is here. C sits second to the right of D. First right, second right. Next, E sits fourth to the right of G. Fourth right means both of them will be at opposite places because E sits fourth to the right of G. ఒకవేళ G ఇక్కడ వస్తే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫస్ట్ రైట్, సెకండ్ రైట్, థర్డ్ రైట్, ఫోర్త్ రైట్ అంటున్నాడు కాబట్టి అప్పుడు డెఫినెట్లీ ఈ ఇక్కడ రావాలి. అంటే ఫోర్త్ రైట్ అంటే మనకి ఆపోజిట్లో రావాలి, జీకి ఆపోజిట్లో ఈ రావాలి. రైట్, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, G ఈజ్ నాట్ అన్ ఇమీడియట్ నైబర్ ఆఫ్ సిఆర్డి. సిఆర్డి దానికంటే ముందు నాట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి G ఈజ్ నాట్ అన్ ఇమీడియట్ నైబర్ ఆఫ్ బోత్ C and D. సో G cannot be the neighbor of D and G cannot be neighbor of C. Can I place G here? No, because G is opposite we need to have E, but already we have D, it is not possible, hence G is not possible. Can I place G here? No, G is opposite, there is no place for E. Again G is not possible here, so it is the place of G. G is opposite, E is required. The next one, B sits third to the left of A. Only one person between A and G. Only one person between A and G. Okay. So as only one person between A and G, maybe A is here, so that one person between A and G, or maybe A here also. If you want to make A's place valid, B sits third to the left of A. If A is here, first left, second left, third left, here we need to have B. But already D undi kabatti B radu. By that reason, A will be eliminated from here. So it is the place of A. Third to the left of A. First left, second left, third left is by B. The next one, H is not an immediate neighbor of C. Hence it is not the place of H. So it is the place of H. Remaining letter will be fixed at that place. Next, how many meaningful English words can be formed with letters IRTS? Using IRTS, we need to get meaningful English words using all the letters, but each letter only once. How many words are there? One. Can you? What is that? Stir. STIR. Stir ante kadalika, kadilinchata, movement. Stir. So this is the only word which is formed as meaningful English word. So one means option number 1. Stir means movement, kadilinchatam. Next, 92. 91 ఇబ్బంది పెట్టి ఉంటుంది క్వశ్చన్, తర్వాత వదిలేసి ఉంటారు. నెక్స్ట్, మేబీ R walked 8 meters to the east of point P. So for example, here we have point P. R walked 8 meters to the east of point P. So from P, east is required. As the journey has started from P, it will be the starting point of R. Now 8 meters and reached point Q. She then took a left turn, walked 4 meters and reached point R. Left turn, next 4 meters and reached point R. Then she took a left turn and walked 16 meters and reaches S. So left turn 16 meters is required. Out of 16 up to here 8. 8 plus 8 is 16 meters, reaches S. Again she took a left turn. Left means this is only left. Again she took a left turn, walked 8 meters to reach point T. Left 8 meters, as it is only 4 meters, but we need to have 8 meters. So 8 meters means 4 plus 4, 8 meters to reach T. Then she took a right turn. When the person is traveling towards south, right turn means this is only right, right turn, and walked 8 meters to reach U. Right turn 8 meters to reach U. Finally she took a right turn. Finally she took a right turn. So this is only right. She took a right turn and walked 4 meters to reach point V. 4 meters is the distance which is required. This is also of just 4 meters. We need to stop here to reach V, which means these two will be on same line with 8 meters as distance. Then V will be the ending point of the person. Then how far and in which direction are from P. From P, it is only P. Distance between these 2 points is required. Up to here it is distance of 8 and it is another 8. 8 plus 8 is 16 meters and direction is required. From P it is west direction, so 16 meters west, option number 5. Next, how much distance did R walk from S to V? S to V distance is required. If you observe the numbers, right, so understand the question carefully. How much distance did R walk from S to V? S నుంచి V కి జర్నీ అనేది ఇలానే కదా జరిగింది. రైట్, నౌ వీ నీడ్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ఎంటైర్ డిస్టెన్స్, నాట్ షార్టెస్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్. ఎందుకంటే ఆ పర్సన్ ఈ డైరెక్షన్లో ట్రావెల్ చేయలేదు, వాకింగ్ చేయలేదు. సో కాబట్టి 4 + 4 8, 8 + 8 16, 16 + 4 20, ఆప్షన్ 3. నెక్స్ట్, అర్థమైందా ఎందుకు షార్టెస్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్ క్యాల్కులేట్ చేయలేదో? పర్సన్ ట్రావెల్ చేసిన వే అనేది ఇలా ఉందే తప్ప ఆ పర్సన్ వే అనేది ఇలా కాదు. నెక్స్ట్ 94. If the positions of first and second digits of each of the numbers are interchanged, then the newly formed numbers are arranged in descending order from left to right. Which number will be second from right? We have two conditions here. First, we need to interchange first and second digits. If you interchange first and second digits, obviously your number here starting with 4, yes or no? Next number will be starting with 8, 5, 8 and then 2. Now whatever the newly formed numbers are there, those are starting with 4, 8, 5, 8, 2. Then newly formed numbers are arranged in descending order from left to right. Descending order means highest number to lowest number is required, least number is required. Which number will be second from the right? Second from right means right ante least numbers kavali, second from right ante second least kavali. First list is starting with 2, second list is starting with 4, 7, 4, 5, option 5. Next, 95. If all the numbers are arranged in ascending order from left to right, ascending order means least number to highest number is required, then which of the following will be sum of first and second digits of the number which is second from right? Second from right. So from right means we need to get highest numbers initially. Second from right means second highest number is required. What is the first highest number? 829. Second highest number 745. In that second highest number, whatever the first and second digits are there, we need to add those two digits. 7 + 4 is 11, third option. Next, 96. If all the digits in each of the numbers are arranged in descending order within the number descending order lo rayali. That means from highest digit to lowest digit within the number. What will be the difference between highest and lowest numbers thus formed? Difference between highest number and the lowest number is required. So within the number descending order is required. So 745 will be starting with the highest digit which is 7. 489 will be starting with 9. 653 will be starting with the highest digit 6. 382 will be starting with 8. 829 will be starting with 9. Difference between a highest number and least number. Highest means we have two numbers which are starting with 9. So let's go for second digit verification. Here we have 984, 984. 2. Highest number in between these two is 984. 984 minus least number. Least number is starting with 6. That will be 653. Difference is required 331. Next, 97. What will be the resultant if first digit of highest number? What is the highest number here? Highest number 829. In that 829, first digit is 8 divided by first digit of second lowest number. Here first lowest number is 382. Second lowest number is 489. In that 489, first digit is required 4. 8 by 4 is 2. Option 3. Next, 1 is added to the second digit. 1 is added to the second digit. 2 is subtracted from the first digit of each of the numbers. ఓకే, ప్రతి నంబర్లో కూడా అది ఈవెన్ అయినా ఆడ్ అయినా సరే ఫస్ట్ డిజిట్కి అయితే 2 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి, సెకండ్ డిజిట్కి అయితే 1 యాడ్ చేయాలి. దెన్ వాట్ విల్ బీ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ది 3 digits ఆఫ్ లోయెస్ట్ నంబర్ దస్ ఫార్మ్డ్. లోయెస్ట్ నంబర్ దస్ ఫార్మ్డ్. ఓకే, జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. లోయెస్ట్ నంబర్ ఇక్కడ 2 అనేది ఏ